All right, guys, today we're doing some work on the OBS we got right here, and we're gonna fix a situation that's going on right there. Let me show you. So our grill is being held on by hopes and dreams. You see, I have bolts missing. I have bolts being held on by Phillips. It's just not good. If I get this one good snug, it's falling out. And on top of that, you know, the grill looks pretty bad. We're missing some parts of it. We're gonna swap out these bottom lights and then the corner reflectors. It was snowing all week last week, so I couldn't really do much to it besides put on little rain guards that we got right here, and they helped out so much. I'm gonna let the truck warm up and then I'm gonna pull it up a little bit just so I'm working literally right here, so I don't have to keep running back and forth and doing everything. And so I could probably get some good camera angles because, you know, there's my barbershop and everything, and I got the ring light. Probably should have gave you guys a cold start, but she sounds so motherfucking good, man. Real quick, let's talk about the parts I got. This is number one, brand new grill. This bad boy right here, it's not OEM, but I went with the OEM styling, which is like, you know, everything is standard with the black insert instead of like the chrome insert or anything. I just thought it looked better. I feel like if I would have gotten the chrome insert, it would have been too much chrome and I would have not liked it. All right, let me look through my parts, show you guys the next things I got. Along with the new grill, we got the new bottom lights, and then we got the new corner lights right here. I was reading on Amazon, they said these might not fit good, so that may be an issue. If anything, I'll just leave those on, return these, and then get new ones. But yeah, guys, all this put together along with the headlights that I already have on there, it's gonna look so nice. All right, I pulled up the truck real close. This is not a dirty job at all. I'm gonna wear gloves though, just because I got a new tattoo, so I don't want to dirty up my tattoo and everything. Also, with the bow tie, I was going to take it off and repaint it gold, but then I thought about it at night, and I was like, you know what? I think I'll just paint it silver, but I don't really need to. It's already silver, so I'm going to just leave it as is. Also, this is not a tutorial by any means. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, if I'm being honest with you. I'm going to link a video of a guy that does know what he's doing. It's like a 2-minute video. If you need to do this job too, you can go ahead and do it with using that video, but I'm going to get to Look at these old ones, guys. These old ones, damn, they're so foggy. I'm gonna keep them though, because sometimes people like to go back to the OEM style. I noticed from my former experiences that I do like to go back to the OEM style sometimes too. And also, you never know what if these headlights break or something, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these. You know, if I need to put them back on, I'll just polish them up and everything. Amazon was right, guys. These ones do not fit flush. Look, for example, here's the one where the bulb goes in, obviously, and this is the other one where the bulb goes in. It's for the same side. Keep in mind, these both say right? Yep, they both say right. It says right. This also says right, and it just does not fit. They're not even the same size. If you look at the back, the whole shape of the cheap ass fucking eBay one is off, like pretty bad. So I'm gonna just throw the orange ones on. I didn't want to, but you know, at least I get the new grill and I get the new bottom lights. So we're just gonna throw the old ones back on. And also, guys, the Chevy emblem, I was swapping it over and this little guy right here fell off, but I just screwed it back on and it's holding up. So I'm pretty surprised by that. But yeah, we're almost done here, honestly. It didn't take as long as I thought. Now we just have to, you know, find the last bolt because I fucking lost it, and then throw it back on here and we'll be done. The only thing I hate about buying cheap eBay shit, it's that they don't fucking send you hardware, bro. If they would have sent me hardware for this motherfucker, it would have been perfect. And then I could have got the new grill put on. Same thing with these lights. I wouldn't have had to struggle. And I actually broke one of the corner lights too. And yeah, I'm struggling right now looking for these little bolts. So in the video I saw, I'm gonna put it in the description, but he basically says, yeah, there's gonna be a bunch of different push pins and stuff. You just gotta push them in. Let me show you guys. So it's always something, bro. Look, this is where the push pin is. Like, there's supposed to be a little hole for this to go into. There's nothing there. No wonder why they put a bunch of different self-tappers and stuff. And by they, I mean previous owners. I've only had this truck 6 months, 7 months. Yep. But damn, it's all mocked up right now, and I really do like it. I actually do like these orange ones more than those fucking cheap ass eBay ones. If I lose my money on these, if I can't return them for whatever reason, they're literally brand new. Just fucking rewrap them. I'm just gonna take them to the range and shoot them, bro. I swear to God. Boom, just like that, guys. The new headlights are put on. They honestly fit pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. They mounted on really nice. They're pretty sturdy, except one of these little bolts, you know, it's like a little plastic piece that the screwdrivers mount onto. It broke. Besides that, it looks pretty fucking good, bro. The Chevy emblem, it looks really clapped, but I don't know. I'll probably eventually buy a new one. Honestly, I don't really mind it. Corner lights, one of the little hooks broke off, but they're pretty snug on there regardless. I think it was this one that had broken off. But either way, it's really snug on there. Nothing's gonna happen to it. And then the ones I had ordered from Amazon, I'm gonna return them because they're fucking stupid. They didn't even fit. And honestly, the orange, it looks really good right now. The orange looks nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's like a nice little touch. I really like how it looks now. The grill isn't all messed up. It's not missing any pieces, no bent pieces. You know, both of the headlights match. It's perfect. It is perfect. The only thing is, like I said, when you buy cheap stuff from eBay, it doesn't come with new hardware. And the previous owners had that thing mounted on with some self-tappers. So I'm gonna have to order some grill assembly parts. Kind of dumb, but it's whatever. It's fine. It's on there sturdier now than it was before. So that's all that matters. And it looks a lot cleaner. The next thing I'm gonna do is, you see how the front, how it's like the tiniest bit of wheel gap more than the rear. Ordered some lift shackles for the suspension. I haven't put them on yet though, but I'm gonna throw them on. And what else am I gonna do to this thing? Oh, the valence, you see that? So valence is no good no more. I had it in my little storage shed, took it out of the storage shed, and that shit's all fucked up. I noticed it's all cracked, it's all messed up, it's bent, it's deformed. I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm thinking about getting a bull bar for the front, but like a subtle one, like a nice little bull bar. It mounts onto the original tow hook area, and then it just comes up like right here. So I'm thinking about getting that, mounting some lights to it, and then mounting lights right there in the corners, and it'll look a lot nicer. All right, guys, this is what the lights look like in the nighttime. It looks really, really nice. Even from this angle, it's kind of hard to tell because, you know, I got them on, but it looks extremely nice. I'm very happy with the product. It illuminates good, but not too much. I'm gonna turn on the high beams real quick just so we could compare and contrast. Stick on the high beams, and yeah, that's how they're looking, guys. Oh shit, that's how they're looking. Very, very nice. And then when you're behind the driver's seat, this is what it looks like. Show you guys again real quick. That's the high beams, and that's the regular beams. Looks really, really good. Let me do that for you one more time. But yeah, looks amazing. I'm very happy with the headlight housings for the bottoms. Kind of hard to see me because, like I said, it's 5 p.m. in the winter and it's dark already. But if you guys want the headlights, I'm going to list them down below. I'm going to list the grill down below, and then I'm going to list the video that I saw to take off the grill. It's like a 2-minute video. He gets straight to the point, no funny business. So thank you guys so much. Appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm gonna try to make more videos. No promises though, because I still be working and I'm more focused on work than I'm focused on anything else. So